Bulgogi. Literally speaking, Bulgogi means fire meat. People love Bulgogi because it's sweet and you can taste umami from this dish. It looks complicated, but it's easy to cook. And I'll show you how to cook Daeji Bulgogi, which means pork bulgogi today. Main ingredients: 1 pound of sliced pork shoulder. Today I'm using pork, but you can use beef as well. The best way to get this meat is going to Korean grocery market. It literally says for bulgogi. 1 cup of sliced carrot, 1 cup of sliced onion, 1 cup of sliced leek or scallions fine, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, half cup of sliced red chili. This is optional. It gives a good color on the dish. 1 cup of oyster mushroom, Korean pear juice, LDH. In North America, it is well known as Hangover cure drink. Funny thing for me as a Korean, it is actually Korean word bae, which means pear, but it looks LDH in English, which is funny. Anyway, the reason why I'm using this pear juice is the enzyme in this pear is actually tenderizing the meat. Pretty important. Okay, let's make the bulgogi sauce first. 6 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, about half teaspoon of black pepper, and I have a pear juice here. I'm gonna strain it first. The reason why I'm straining it is there is the pear rits inside that I'm gonna use it for cooking. This one I'm using for the bulgogi sauce. This is about 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon I'm putting in. Plus I'm using 2 tablespoons of it. 1, 2. And rest of juice, you can drink it. And half teaspoon of MSG. This is totally optional. And mix the sauce well. Next step is I'm putting this meat inside the sauce. And mix it well with your hand. Okay, we are almost done. Set your pan over medium-high heat and put cooking oil, this amount, and when it's hot, put marinated meat on the pan. When the meat is halfway cooked, I'm putting sliced carrot, sliced onion, sliced leek, oyster mushroom, and red chili. Okay, it's almost done. Personally, I like it with a little bit of liquid from all the vegetables and meat. I can use this liquid for the rice. If you guys like dry meat, quick cooking more and evaporate all the liquid. That's it. Now it's presentation time. There you go. And as a garnish, I'm gonna sprinkle some sesame seed all around the meat. I'm so excited. And I have a little bit of green part of a leek, which I sliced before. Okay, I have a delicious bulgogi here. Here I have a Korean napa cabbage. And this is homemade Ssamjang. I'll show you how to make Ssamjang at the end of this video, so don't skip it. Pick one leaf of napa cabbage. And put bulgogi on with a little bit of vegetables. And just a little bit of Ssamjang on the top. And have a bite. This is so good. I can taste all of the flavors and even umami. Why don't you make this beautiful dish tonight? Hope you guys enjoyed my video today. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again. Ciao! Okay, this is how you make Ssamjang. It doesn't need to be accurate. You're gonna need about 1 tablespoon of Doenjang, 1 tablespoon of Gochujang, half teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, and mix them well. It smells really good. The sesame oil is gonna be a kick.